This is 2555 Camino Del Rio South in San Diego, California. And we got something here. Look at that, United States elevator. Ooh, look at this. It's got a bumper. Please tell me it's original. Yes! Yes, Square US. Let's go. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. And we re-level with the floor. This is such a beautiful elevator. It's the phone. Door open. Oh, this is a beautiful elevator. I love this. It runs so well too, great condition. And we did it again. We're going on a third trip because this thing is amazing. This is my first Square US. Let's finish the cab view. Put that there. This is a beautiful elevator.